My name is Kitty Barrett, no te Taharoa hau. And I went to school in Waitomo and Aotearoa and Queen Vic. And then I started work at Tokanui, and that's where I met my husband. So we moved to Hamilton. Been here ever since, and he's from Ngā Now we've got 4 children and 9 grandchildren and 1 great-grandchild. My husband, who had a stroke way back in 2006, he could initially just walk, but then his hand was like that. His foot started to curl, and then over the years, and he started to deteriorate. But towards the end of last year, and this is just before Christmas, I think he was having little minor strokes. He was couldn't even sit up on the bed, while I dress him, because he'd just tip over. I've noticed he started to lose his voice. And I said to him, this is just before Christmas, I said, I'm going to have to admit you to the rest home. So straight after the holidays, I admitted him, and then that was the 7th of January. Then the next minute, the norovirus hit the home, so they had to have a lockdown. Nobody could go to visit. And I know for a fact that he was really sad, that because he couldn't speak, I think that made it worse for him, and I think the loneliness really took a hard toll on him. I was going to the doctor, and I said to the doctor, I have a problem with trying to move my bowels, and he says, maybe anxiety with Peter being in the home. So I thought, that's fair enough, that might be true, but I had to go back a couple of days later and said, I don't think it is. While I was telling her my stuff, and she said, I think you better get up to the hospital right now. April the 6th, I was going into theatre, and because I had a mass down here, and I had X-rays, CT scans, and all this, and so I was going in there, and I had a bag inserted that night. After the op was over, my granddaughter came to tell me while I was in theatre, my husband passed away. So he was put into simplicity, and then they had the Zoom thingy, all on the phone. So that was the only way I saw my husband. But I think had the lockdown not started, I think he probably would have been still here, because I think he got really, really lonely. I've always been one that I'm not going to dwell on problems that affect me, I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, woe is me. I think that if I want to do that, all I have to do is just sit, do nothing. But I can't do that. Yeah, I think life is probably going to be a lot better now. Yeah.